Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential parts and positioning your workspace. Assemble the raft base and lay out 3 net canisters within arm's reach so you won't interrupt flow. Once done, inspect canisters for leaks and clear debris. This matters because sealed canisters provide lift evenly. Next, pre-cut rope lengths and set tape and clamp nearby so you can fasten quickly. Don't delay. Immediate sequencing prevents mistakes. This initial prep cuts time and stabilizes the build before the complex steps. You now align each net canister along the raft centerline, spacing about 20 cm so weight distributes evenly. Start with the middle canister, loop rope in a figure-8 pattern and pull taut. This prevents rotation. Once tied, use the metal clamp to lock tension and then tape seams thoroughly to stop leaks. Adhesion ensures long-term buoyancy. After securing all 3, perform a quick compression test. Press each canister and listen for hiss. If you hear air, reseal immediately to avoid instability. You finish by conducting a controlled float test in shallow water for 2 to 3 minutes to verify buoyancy and balance. Watch how the raft sits. If one side dips, shift cargo toward bow or stern to correct trim because small moves change balance dramatically. If the raft sinks or lists, stop and inspect seals, clamp tension, and canister placement. Often a single loose seam is the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: if leaks persist, replace the suspect canister rather than over-taping, which only masks failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.